It's easy to get nervous when speaking to a group of people, and one of the most common tendencies is to just rush through to get it over with as fast as possible. But even if your arms are heavy, knees weak, palms sweaty, you're not Eminem. Unless Eminem is watching, in which case, that's dope, I'm a huge fan. Regardless, the audience has got to comprehend every word. So make sure you relax and speak conversationally. Like this: Mom's spaghetti. I'm going to emphasize conversationality throughout this workshop because the most important underlying concept is to connect with your audience, as if you're having a one-on-one talk with each listener. Again, a ritual of sorts will help with that. Do whatever calms you down. Listen to music, meditate, imagine yourself in your happy place. Hey, you know what would be funny? Comment down below what you think I'm imagining right now. That may have been a mistake. Ultimately, just chill. Take a deep breath and speak at a natural pace. Now, one way to make anyone conscious of a bad habit is to move over to the extreme. So I'm going to set a metronome at a really slow pace. Just say the words on the screen, but every syllable has to be to this beat. Every syllable, not word. Yeah. When you go back to normal, you'll become aware of when you're rushing. Of course, don't ever go that painfully slow when speaking. Between 120 and 160 words per minute usually indicates a solid, natural speaking pace. So, have fun, guys.